Hello guys, this is my second video and I'm gonna be unboxing my new shoe which is Striker and yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so here is my latest Striker which I have pursued from Bay Imperial. So take a quick look in the box which is Striker and here we got some advertisement of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and many other, and also same here we have got exclusively marketed by Bay. We have got Striker again and yeah, from Bay. Okay, so okay, here's pin. Here we have to unbox it, so I'm gonna use this pin unboxer for unboxing this pin. Okay, I'll be back right. Okay guys, I have unsealed it. You can see unsealed it, this one, and yes, obviously this one, the third one also. Okay, oh, there's the Striker. Yeah, okay, let's get it out from the package. Come on, get out. Come on. Okay, it's out now. Striker, yeah, I like this very much. Striker, there's the Thunder, Striker Thunder with, and here's the price tag and some Imperial details. Okay, Bay, you have done good work. Okay, some advertisement. Now I'm gonna unbox this. Okay, 1890 price tag. Okay, let's unbox it, guys. Striker, whoa, yeah, this is my new Striker, guys. Just look at it, the leather content and the cloth, the Striker tag, and wow, this is just awesome. Striker here also, and one thing I like very good is that the Bay doesn't reseal their name, they just reseal the Striker name, so I'm happy with it. And wow, the it's just awesome. Here we go, some spectacular look. Striker.